This is it. We've made it to the final week of class. Congratulations, everyone. This week will be on the topic of labor relations, which is unions. A quick reminder, we are wrapping up total rewards, in which we looked at the three general components, the major laws, and some special types of compensation for our sales and executives. As we talk about unions, the first question is, why do people organize? First and foremost, are working conditions in the organization. If they are awful, meaning unsafe, poor compensation, poor management, then workers will likely rebel and either leave or band together to make change. So why is union membership declining in America? Some of it has to do with our shift from physical work to thinking work, from having multiple generations in the workplace, and from there being geographical shifts of work both within and to outside the United States. Read more about this in the text. How are things going presently, and what may likely spark more union formation? While there are new partnerships between companies and work centers, there's also more activism, like protests, contractors, temps, and low-skilled workers unable to find higher-paying jobs. So how did we get here? Please read the text about the many labor laws that have been enacted over the years. If you plan to take any of the HR certification exams, you really do have to know these. You'll also need to know about specific National Labor Relations Board rulings, and here are some. In studying unions, we have to understand not just why they form, but the process for forming. As HR practitioners, it's important to know the signs, then the process. There are 4 steps prior to getting to the table to negotiate an actual contract, and this is how you know that people are serious about organizing. What happens when things go wrong and management and the union is at an impasse? There are mediation, strikes, various types of lockouts, and arbitration are on deck. There is plenty of detail about these in the text. I'll go through each one. Once our workspace becomes unionized, it seems like we spend quite a bit of time dealing with grievances. Here are the steps a typical grievance procedure takes. As you can see, instead of a simple issue getting resolved quickly through a short conversation, the step process in unions can take a lot of time from all parties to get resolution. Yet another good reason to try to serve employees well so they don't feel the need to organize. There are 3 final assignments. The first is a discussion in which we evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of union membership, then examine collaboration theories, techniques, and best practices for union avoidance. We also want to mention an aha moment you experienced in the course and 3 ways the course helped refine the way you think about your strengths, skills, and approach to leadership. I want you to weave in the core of mindfulness, dialogue, collaboration, or change that will apply as an HR professional. Your week 7 and 8 learning reflection is due, as well as an overall course learning reflection. If you have any questions, please reach out. Enjoy the final week, everyone.